Hello and welcome to PM Intellect. I am Ashutosh Garg, and today under project management concept we are going to cover the topic cost baseline versus project budget. You can expect questions from the PMP examination as well as from your project management interview from this. To understand the difference between cost baseline and project budget, first we need to understand how the cost is calculated in the project scenario. As we are aware, the project is made of multiple activities. So the first step is to start calculating the cost which is needed in order to complete a particular activity. So what we do, we calculate or estimate the cost for that particular activity. But then that is not the full cost. On top of this activity cost, we also put another component which we called as activity contingency reserve. Now this contingency reserve is based on the risk associated with this particular activity, and we have to have this contingency covered so that we will fully covered in case if the risk gets mature. Now we calculate the cost of other such activities, and then a total of one or more than one activities, we group them as work package cost estimates. Now this work package cost estimate is covering cost of all the activities as well as their activity contingency reserve. On top of this work package cost estimates, we cover another component and we call that as contingency reserve. Now this contingency reserve covers in case if there is any kind of risk which is associated with all these activities, or if I'll say for the work package, and this contingency reserve is going to cover for any issues which is going to come, so that there should not be any kind of shortage of the funds when we are delivering the project. Now with this work package cost estimate and contingency reserve, the total cost which we get is equivalent to the control accounts. The control account are the management control point. They are being created for the performance management. Generally, you will find one package, work package, will have one control account. However, that is not a necessary point. Even one work package can have more than one control accounts. As I mentioned, this is the management control account. So, as and when or at whatever point where management wants to cover the control or they want to exert the control, they can create the control accounts. Now, this control account, which we have just seen covering the work package cost estimates as well as contingency reserve. So if we'll have one or more than one work package in a project, they all are grouped together, and that what we called as cost baseline. So we can say in other words that a control account will have or a cost baseline will have one or more than one control account cost, and that is what the overall cost which is required or needed in order to cover or deliver a project, and that will have the contingency reserves available in case of any kind of issue which we expect. One more point which I'd like to cover about the contingency reserve, that these are the reserve which covers the known and unknown issues. When I say known unknown, that means based on our previous experience or based on our estimation or based on our brainstorming, we have identified that there can be some issues which can come when we are going to deliver a particular work package or an activity, and these are not known when it is going to happen. We know what can be the issues which will come or come up, but we are not aware about when it is going to happen, and that is the reason the terminology which is given is known unknown. Known means we know what are the issues, unknown when exactly it's going to happen, we don't know that. Now this is what is the total cost baseline. Now on top of cost baseline, we add another reserve, and that is what which is known as management baseline. Now management baseline covers another important topic or important piece which we known as unknown unknown. When we say unknown unknown, that means there can be some issue which can happen on the project and the activities, but we don't know what can that issue be, and we don't even know when it is going to happen. So something which is not known and we don't even know when it is going to happen is what being covered by the management baseline. Now management baseline is something which is been calculated on top of the cost baseline. However, this is for the management reserve, or this is for the management use. A project manager cannot use this management baseline without having any approval from the project sponsor or the governance board. Now, when we sum up the management baseline and the cost baseline of the project, we come up with the project budget. So, with this, you can conclude that the project budget is sum of the cost baseline along with the management baseline, and that's what the difference is. Thanks for joining this session. Should you have any issue or concern or any question which is unanswered, or if you want any specific question to take on, please share with us and we will come back to you. You can also connect back with us on our channel PM Intellect on YouTube